It's almost summertime in Wisconsin, so we just brought our boat out of storage, and now we want to clean it, prep it, and put some protection on it to get it ready for the long summer we have coming up. These are the products in DiTEC's arsenal that we're going to use to clean this boat. First, we would be starting out with the hull and bottom cleaner. Now, this boat is only a couple years old. It's been taken care of pretty decently, so we don't have any of that typical scum that's on the bottom of a boat. But if we did, this is the product we would use. Safe to rinse into the waterways and removes pretty much anything that you're going to have built up on the bottom of your boat. Then we're going to treat any black streaks that we have that typically run down on the white or the lighter colors of a boat, and we would pre-treat it by spraying this on those streaks. Then we're going to use our Wipeout, which is an all-purpose and degreaser, and it's used for pre-treating any stains on the carpeting, on the vinyl seats, wherever you have any stubborn smudges or smears. This is a great product for that. And then lastly, we'll take and we'll wash the boat with our boat soap. Our boat soap suds up great. It's highly concentrated, safe to rinse into the waterways. So if you have your boat in some fresh lake waters where you have to remove the boat from the water to wash it, with our boat soap you don't have to do that. Dries to streak-free finish. First, I'm going to remove any of the dirt that may have settled on the non-skid or any of the black streaks that may have accumulated down the sides of the gel coat. This is important as it will remove the real stubborn stains or marks, making washing the boat that much easier. Our DiTEC boat soap is highly concentrated, so with 1 gallon of our boat soap, you're roughly going to get 40 to 45 washes out of a gallon of boat soap. So for washing our boat, we're going to start out using this wash mitt. We're going to wash the upper half with this, and we're going to use our Sure Hold soft brush, bristle brush, to wash the lower areas down below where we can't reach with this. 3 capfuls are all you need to mix up about 1.5 gallons. Our boat soap is safe for ceramic coatings, waxes, and other surfaces. It is also safe for the environment and can be rinsed into the water. Boat soap's advanced formula loosens and removes any grease, grime, or trapped dirt molecules and will dry to a streak-free finish. I prefer using a pole and a deck brush as you can really get into a lot of hard-to-reach areas of your boat. You will want to make sure you give all areas a good scrubbing. A nice clean surface will make it easy to see any scratches or imperfections that you may need to buff out of the paint after you dry the boat. So DiTEC has 3 different types of polishing compounds. It has a heavy compound, which is great for heavy scratches, heavy oxidation, really faded paint, or gel coat. We have a medium cut and we have a fine cut. We're going to be typically, for the most part, using the fine cut on this boat. We just have a couple light scratches, want to shine up a couple of areas. The whole boat does not need to be polished thoroughly, just some certain areas that we want to try and clean up a little bit. All right, so we're going to start buffing here using our Flex Dual Action Buffer. It's one of the nicer ones in the market. And have a pad on here that I've already used before. It's still in pretty good shape, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it. I like to use a fork and just kind of put some, cleans up all the old compound in it. Kind of softens it up. And then for our compounds, we carry these products in 1 liter, and we also carry them in 250 mil. So if you don't have a big job to do, you can use the 250 milliliter. And the 250 mils, you can buy these individually, or you can buy them in a 3-pack, sample pack. So in case you have small areas to do where you don't need to spend the money on that, you can buy one of these packs. Start by applying a generous amount of compound to your polishing pad. Operating at a moderate RPM, work the pad in a consistent left to right motion along the surface, allowing only a light amount of pressure to remove scratches. Applying too much pressure with heavier compounds can remove the gel coat or the clear coat, so use caution. After you've polished the surface and removed the scratches, wipe away any residue that remains with a clean microfiber cloth. So the next steps in our process are to apply the PROTEC 1. Before we do that, we are going to first clean the entire boat with Crystal Clear, which is a degreaser and a contaminant remover on the entire surface of the boat. So we're going to spray the boat down, wipe it down with a microfiber cloth, and then we're going to apply our PROTEC 1. Cleaning the surface with Crystal Clear is a critical step. What we're doing here is prepping the surface for PROTEC 1 to be applied, so all the contaminants, oils, grease must be completely removed. If you need to repeat this process 2 to 3 times, then do so. Any contaminants or particles left on the surface will prevent PROTEC 1 from adhering properly. I recommend using PROTEC 1 over traditional waxes and sealants. It is easy to use, goes on in one easy step, and can be applied by any applicator. Most importantly, PROTEC 1 will not crack like traditional ceramics. It contains rubber and vinyl, so after it cures and has adhered to the gel coat, it will flex with the boat's surface. One coat of PROTEC 1 will give you at least one full season of protection. 2 coats will give you an added layer of protection. I'll show you how to enhance its protection for the multiple seasons in our next step. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how well the PROTEC 1 works. Obviously this is the treated portion like we talked about before. This is the untreated portion. Not only does the PROTEC 1 protect your boat against UV light, protects it against rain, dirt, elements, but it also makes the cleanup easier. That's what the PROTEC system is about. So in this bucket I have some dirty water. I mixed some topsoil in here, threw some water in here, mix it up. It's just nasty garden dirt. So I'm going to throw it on here and show you what it does and what it doesn't do on both sides. So here you can see all the dirt particles basically rinsed off the boat. You have a little bit of dirty water left there, but that's not sticking to the paint. Here you can see the actual dirt sticking to the actual paint. So what happens is when everything dries out here, you're gonna have the dirt that's stuck to the paint, makes it harder for you to wash. All right, so we're in the final step of multi-season protection. Using PROTEC 1 by itself will give you 1 year protection. We've tested that in some of the harshest boating conditions in the world. And using PROTEC shampoo once a month or using PROTEC quick coating every 3 months will give you multi-season protection. Easy enough to use both of them. Let's show you how to do it. Quick coating is applied as a spray and should be used at least every 90 days. You'll want the surface to be completely washed and dried, then spray on the quick coating and wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. What I'm doing as I am applying this is creating an extra layer of protection for the PROTEC 1 that is already on the surface, which will make the cleanup much easier. So before we wash the interior of the boat, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the vinyl and some of the upholstery in here, and I notice here we got some scuffs and some dirt that's on here, so we're going to go ahead and clean it with our Wipeout. I'm going to start by cleaning any smudges or dirt off the vinyl seats with our bleach-free cleaner degreaser. It is very important to avoid using cleaners with bleach on vinyl surfaces as it will dry them out and degrade over time. Spray the surface and wipe it clean. Next, after you've cleaned your surfaces, you'll want to add a layer of protection with DiTEC MVP. Your boat is going to be in a lot of direct sunlight, so it is important that your vinyl, canvas, and upholstery are properly protected. MVP goes on easy. For vinyl, spray on the surface and lightly wipe with a microfiber cloth. For canvas, spray on evenly and you're done. You've now added an extra layer of protection for up to 3 months from dirt, oil, water, and UV rays. Now that your vinyl is cleaned and protected, it is time to continue with any chromed or finished metal surfaces. Metalon PX is a cleaner that will remove light water spots, surface rust, and streaks while leaving a shine to any chromed or finished metal surface. Once cleaned, using PROTEC 1 to protect your metal surfaces is highly recommended. Now we're on to the final steps of protecting the interior of your boat. Here we're going to focus on any compartments or shaded areas that could be breeding grounds for mold or bacteria. To treat these areas, we're going to fill a small spray bottle with Bioclear. Bioclear is a persistent disinfectant, meaning it will continue to work after it has been applied, keeping any mold or mildew at bay. I always keep a small spray bottle of Bioclear on my boat for these purposes. Okay, so we've just cleaned our boat top to bottom 360 degrees. All the products we use are linked in the description below with a discount code for first-time buyers. If you thought this video was helpful, please like, hit subscribe, and share. Questions? Feel free to comment anytime and I will answer any of your questions. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you have a great and safe boating season, and we appreciate your business at DiTEC Marine Products.